And new dog. Hi, Faye. That's you. That's right.
Hey, Dad,
There's our
watch.
jungle kitty.
Okay.
It's a little dry. Faye's getting buffed and seems to enjoy it. It's a little dry here. It's What's the matter, puppy?
She needs to be groomed.
Quick, she's losing her charge.
Do it again, Britta. Oh, that's so funny.
She loves getting pet. Zing! Faye, hello, puppy. Do you think we need to turn on the April air?
Poor Faye. She's being groomed so bad.